Hi guys, so today we'll be talking about human hair. Okay, so I'll be dropping suppliers contacts. So there are lots of contacts, guys, lots. Like the hair business is saturated though. It's large. It's not only in Nigeria. You think everybody wants to sell hair. No, it's not only in Nigeria, both Vietnam or both China. Like the China market owner, Jesus, is plenty. Guys, if you want to sell hairs, don't even look at that. Everybody's selling it, I beg. There's no products in this life that people don't like. If I just synchronize now. Once you like, let's say for example, you see a vendor selling bag and you like the page and you go through the page. Once, even if you did not follow the page, once you like the page, you find out that you start seeing um vendors that sells bag, whether it's promotion or not promoted though. You start seeing that sells bag. Do you get? Now, that's when you will know that guy, there's no product that is not like it's not saturated. There's no product that is not everywhere. So don't think I beg everybody is doing here. Let me just do it though. Do it. There's money here. In one of the videos that I posted, I talked about how you can add as high as 100,000 naira on a profit. That's like $70. Yeah, you can add it as a profit on just one product. Do you understand? You're selling a wig, let's say 8 inches wig. You can add as high as 100k as a profit on that 8 inches wig. You can add above 100,000. You can add below 100,000 depending on you, on how you want to sell it. Not because A is selling this amount, you want to sell so amount. It doesn't work that way. Put your price, don't be sorry for it. You get. So if you want to buy straight hairs, like your straight hairs, your natural straight, your bone straight, just buy it from Vietnam. They have the best strands, like they have the best bone straight hairs, anything straight. Now Vietnam get them. Do you get? They have, like, just leave it for Vietnam, okay? So if you want coily hairs, your wavy hairs, your bouncy, your whatever, anything outside straight hairs, you can get those in China. Even the Vietnamese suppliers will tell you that if you want to buy wavy hairs and all of those categories, you should buy from China because they have the facility, okay, to make it stand, to make it stay strong, to make it stay firm and all. Do you get? And even the Vietnamese suppliers that does these wavy hairs and all, they don't do it to a certain length, okay? They stop at like 16 inches. Even like for the ones that are really frank, or those ones that are truthful, you understand, they will tell you that if you want something higher, like maybe from 18 inches below, for what's it called, for wavy hairs, curly hair, then you should just go to China and buy from there. Okay, so they'll be truthful with you. All right, so if you want straight hairs, you want bone straight, any inches, any length, they are going to do it for you. Any color you want, they would customize it for you, not just for Vietnam, but China do it. Okay, another thing you should take note of also is their hairs are different. Vietnam bone straight, like the quality, like I said, is different from that of China. Okay, now I'm going to make a separate video about China hairs because you have to put some things into consideration if you want to buy hairs from China. All right, so like I said, I'll drop last contacts. Yeah, the contacts are plenty, contacts are many, and contacts plenty. Oh guys, the business is large. Do you get? It's very large. So if you know what you want, they have from 6 inches to 30 inches, 32, but normally they stop at 30 inches. So if you want below 30 inches, is it above or below, anyone shall. If you want more than 30 inches, you let them know, they're going to make it for you. They have different colors, any color you can think of in this life, you let them know, you understand, and they're going to make it for you. They're going to customize to your length, to your color, any type of color, any type of style. Do you get? So another thing you should take note of is for Vietnam hairs, you are paying in dollar. Okay, some of them have a group, some of them don't have a group. All right, so for those that have a group, once you chat them up, they send you the link, you join their group. For those that don't have, you just talk to them and let them know what you want. Okay, the essence of the group, there is no need, but if you want to join, you can still join just to see their daily updates and all of that. Okay, so they are the ones that will give you their rates. Each company have their rates. You're not going by your aboki rate or black market rate or whatever bank rate. No, they are the ones that will give you their exchange rates. That's dollar rates. Okay, so if you want to buy per bundle, they say obviously per bundles. Yeah, like I said, their inches, it ranges from 6 inches to 28 inches for straight hairs. For the coily hairs, they have up to 28 inches also, but they will advise you buy shorter lengths so the coils would hold and all of that. Do you get? But if you want longer lengths like 28, like 18, 30, 30, any below 28 for coily hairs, just buy from China. Okay, they have agents that helps them do the transaction. So if you want to buy from Vietnam, you pay into the agent's account. Those agents are mostly the delivery companies, that's logistics company, the ones that will ship it from Vietnam to Nigeria. You're in Ghana, you're in South Africa, anywhere you are at all. They even ship to the European countries. You are in USA, you are in Canada, you are in anywhere you are. Okay, they have logistics that they use. For the ones that are in Obodo Ibo, in the UK, those ones that are there, they use DHL, they use UPS, they use which other shipping company that they use. So just know that your your rates for shipping is obviously going to be higher than the normal Nigerian rate or African country rates. Do you understand? So they can ship it to Ghana, they can ship to anywhere you are. Just let them know the country you are, they will, ship for you. And for you to make payment, they don't receive the money directly. Yes, they are collecting in dollar, but they don't receive it directly. They have agents, and those agents are shipping companies. Okay, so you send the money to the shipping company, that's the agent. When the agent receives it, which will take about 24 hours, 48 hours. Then after the agent has received your payment, has confirmed it, they will now send it to the supplier. So everything from you to the agent, from the agent to the supplier might take up to 72 hours, maybe 4 days also, depending. Okay. So those agents are in Vietnam there. Do you get? They have Naira accounts. So they are the ones helping them do all those transactions. So if you want any hair, you pay to the agent. They have agents that they use. But if they don't have agents, fine, you can get your own agent. Do you understand? But all of them have agents. Okay. So you let them know what you want. They're going to tell you the amount in dollar. They have their price list. I would explain how the price list is, everything about it. I'll use like 3 companies to explain the price list and break it down for so that you will understand how it is. Not that you go and chat them up and be behaving like novice. But it's okay, Sha. They are unlike the China suppliers. But the ones I've dealt with, Sha, they are very welcoming and very friendly. So even if you don't understand their price list, they'll break it down for you and give you the amounts in naira, or if you're in Ghana, they'll give the amounts in cedis. Do you understand? Then also you should take note of Vietnam. They don't sell wigs. Most of them don't sell wigs. They only sell in bundles. So if you buy in bundles, they're going to make, if you want them to make the wig for you, they're going to make it for you there. Okay, remember everything is in dollar. So if you do the calculations, making of the hair there for them to make the wig there for you, it's kind of more expensive than making it here in Nigeria. Or I don't know for other countries, I don't know how much you make your own wigs, okay? But if you want to make it there, you don't want to, receive it and start looking for who to. You can just tell them to make it for you. It's your money that will speak. You understand? So anyhow you want to do it, you let them know and they will make the wig for you. Okay. Another thing you should take note of again is that most of them don't sell below 1 kg. Okay, so your 1 kg of hair is 10 bundles of hairs. Okay, and one bundle is 100 gram. You understand? If you're making shorter lengths, like from 14 inches above, 14 inches to 6 inches, you can use just 2 bundles and a closure or a frontal to make your hair. Okay, and it will be full and okay. If you're making below 14 inches, 16 inches, then you have to buy from 300 grams. That is 3 bundles. Do you understand? Per bundle is 100 gram. Okay, and each bundle has its price depending on the length that you're buying. Okay, so if you buy like that, you cannot buy less than that 10 bundles. Plus if you want closures with it, fine, anyhow you want to do it, but sure, they can't sell below 1 bundle. But some of them does, they sell below 1 kg. Do you understand? That's another thing that you should take note of. Okay, another thing also that you should take note of is the amount for natural colors, like the black color, natural color, and other. Okay, just the 2 colors are separate. So let's say for example 8 inches natural black or black is let's say it's 18 dollar. Okay, if you want to add, if you don't want black, you want another color, it would you will have to it comes with extra fee. So any color you want outside black color, it will extract extra fee. Mostly it's like $5 per any color and any length that you want. You understand? Then there's another set of color again. They have like two categories of color. There's one like the primary color. That one is like the extra charge on it is like $5. Then the secondary color is like $9. Some put $9, some put $7. Do you understand? So those colors now, you can ask them, okay, what are the categories of the color? Or if you have a picture in mind of maybe you see a wig, an influencer wearing a wig, and you like the wig, the color, the length, and all, you just screenshot it or you record it and send the video to them. They will tell you how much would make that exact hair, the color, the length, and everything. So it's very easy buying from these countries, okay? With all these things that I've said, the important thing is you can make video calls with them. Yes, before you buy, you can make video calls with them, see their company, how they operate and all, okay? Even the hair, you can, maybe after you've selected, you can tell them to do video and send for you, okay? Or you make a video call with them, you see the hair that you bought, you understand? So if you want to buy for sale, you negotiate with them. Maybe after everything, you can ask them to give you a discount. Do you get? So in all that I've said, okay, to sum it up, you chat the supplier up. If you're not ready to buy, don't chat them up, please. That's one mistake that people always do. If you're not ready to buy anything, once you get a free contact like that, guys, just write it down somewhere or save it down somewhere so that when you're ready to buy, you will now chat them up and let them know what you want to buy. If not, you can chat them up today. When you're not ready to buy, you just want to make inquiries. Remember, rate is changing. The rate they might give you today might be different from when you want to buy. So will not even buy. Maybe now it's after 6 months they want to buy. They will not charge the supplier up today that I want to buy so hair. They will not give you, let's say for example, they will tell you, okay, the amount for this hair is like 30,000 naira. Then 6 months later now, when rate might have gone up. You know, Nigeria, our rate is always going up, but we pray it comes down because it will benefit us. Do you understand? So if the rate has gone up now in the next 6 months, you will now expect them to give no, you are not a witch. Sorry to use the word. You understand? So when you come back in 3 months time, 6 months time, 1 year time, chat them up only that time that you want to buy. You have the money and you want to buy, or you want to for personal use, you want to buy for your business. Chat them up only when you want to buy, so that they will have all your attention and give you everything that you want. But if you chat them up and you come back again, or every two market days you are coming to ask them questions, they might ghost you. They will not answer you. Like especially China suppliers, they don't have that chill. They don't have that time. You understand? They are dealing with billions of people, so you cannot use your own to be obstructing them. If you're in their shoes, you'll do the same thing. Do you understand? So in all, you chat the supplier up, let your intentions know. Okay, I want to buy let's say 20 inches bone straight hairs. I want let's say blonde color with dark roots, dark roots frontal. Okay, so for the frontal, I forgot to mention, they have from 2 by 4 inches frontal and closures. They have from 2 by 4 inches to 13 by 6. Do you understand? And then there's 360. That is the one that will take your full hair. You get? So the lesser the frontal, the lesser the price. The higher the closure or frontal, the higher the price. Okay. So for the 2 by 4 is cheaper compared to 2 by 6, 4 by 4, 5 by 5, 13 by 4, 13 by 6, like that. You get. And then the 360 is more expensive. Do you understand? So you chat them up. I want 28 inches bone straight. I want also for wavy hair, let's say 16 inches for wavy hair. They will give you the price in dollar and tell you their exchange rate for that day. Every day they update. They will tell you, the agents will tell them the price, sorry, their exchange rate for that day. So they're going to let you know for the day you chat them up. They are going to let you know the price for that day. That's the exchange rate for that day. Once they tell you, you do your calculations and you know the exact amount you'll be paying for those two hairs. Okay, if you want it as bundle, you know the price. If you want it as a wig, you also know the price. If you can't do the calculation, you let the supplier know. They'll help you do the calculation, the breakdown. So you will now know the amount you'll be paying for those two hairs. Okay, so let's say it's a wig, okay, bone straight wig and wavy wig. So you know the amount you're paying for those two hairs. Okay, so after you've made payments directly to the shipping, sorry, to the agent. The agent now confirms the amount and send it to the supplier. Supplier confirms the amount. They'll package your item and send it to the shipping company. That is the agent. The shipping company in turn will let you know that, okay, we have received your item. When do you want us to ship it out? Okay, let them know, okay, I want you to ship it out immediately. So once they ship it out, Then when it gets to Nigeria, they're going to send you a message. It's called pickup message. Okay, so when it gets to Nigeria, they send you a pickup message. Okay, you'll be paying for so amount for so kg. They are going to tell you the kg already before they ship it. Okay, you know your kg, so you also know how much you'll be paying. You can do you can ask them how much their kg. They are going to tell you. You don't even need to ask them. Okay, so they're going to tell you the kgs, how much per kg they ship hairs. Okay, so once they let you know and you've shipped your item, so before it gets to Nigeria or your country, you must have done your calculation to know how much an estimate you'll be paying when it gets to your country. Do you understand? So when it gets to your country and they send you a pickup message, the pickup message will come with the address, their warehouse address, the amount you'll be paying. Do you understand? And probably any contact you're supposed to reach to direct you to where you're going to pick up. Okay, so that's what you get to know. And when you receive your pickup message, you transfer their money to them, and you go, you pick up your item, and you bring it home. So that is just it about buying hairs from Vietnam. Just know what you're buying. If you don't know what you're buying, let them tell the supplier to send you different kind of hairs that you want, or you can explain to them, okay, I want so hair, so length. Okay, I want you to touch my those hairs that will touch, your shoulder. What length is that? Even if you don't know, just explain to them. They're going to tell you the length, or even send you a video of what you're explaining. Okay, guys, so I've said a lot. I know you learned something. Okay, so you have gotten free contacts, hair contacts from Vietnam. So guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe, it's free. You're not paying any amounts. Imagine like 100 people watch this video and only 2 people will subscribe. It doesn't make sense. Now you're getting something for free, you're getting value, and you're not subscribing, you're not even liking, you're not even commenting, you just watch and pass. It doesn't make sense. Okay, guys, just subscribe, like, comment. Okay, subscribe, push the channel, push it, so that YouTube is going to recommend my videos to other people that would also find interest, that are looking for this kind of videos. Okay.